Welcome to my channel, Easy Tricks for Study. So today we are going to learn in English grammar the subject and predicate. Please listen carefully and try to understand it. Introduction. Read the sentence given below. The sun rises in the east. My best friend is Pranaya. In the above sentences, you can see that a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. This was the introduction. Now let's learn it in detail. Definition. The subject. The subject is the doer of the action. Doer of the action is called subject. The predicate. The predicate shows the action done by the subject. Action done by the subject is called predicate. Examples. In this table, sentences are divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Let's take them one by one. My uncle is very tall. My uncle is subject, is very tall is predicate. The donkey is braying. The donkey is subject, is braying is predicate. The king is very kind. The king is subject, is very kind is predicate. The cuckoo sings sweetly. The cuckoo is subject, sings sweetly is predicate. He is a honest boy. He is subject, is a honest boy is predicate. Subject, verb and object. A sentence has a subject and a verb. The subject is usually a meaning word. The verb follows a subject and points to an action that is done by the subject. Examples: the bird flies, the child cries. An object is a noun or pronoun which is the receiver of the action. Objects usually follow a verb. Examples: the teacher threw a chalk. The object is chalk. Thank you. If you liked this video, subscribe the channel.